my channel. So today we'll be doing a clean with me. I've already finished, if you can't really see. It's currently like a little after midnight. I've been cleaning since 4 p.m. Like, I've had a very productive day. Like, I got everything I wanted to get done on my to-do list, and you know what, we're starting 2022 off correctly, right? But yes, if you guys are ready for the video, stay tuned. Can I tell you, like, I love watching time-lapse cleaning videos, and it's just like, it's so like satisfying, you feel me? And it just gives me the motivation to actually get up and clean myself. So now hopefully I'm doing the same for you guys. So go ahead, grab you a snack, or even clean with me. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. guys have made it this far, you just saw how long. You just saw the struggle. I changed outfits. Like, I had my bonnet on. Like, it's a long day. But I showered, did my hair, put my PJs on, ready for the night, and I'm about to go to sleep. I'm kind of tired, but yes, this is my room so far. Let me show you guys what we're working with. Yes, it's so clean. I'm about to actually roll my body out because I worked out today. But yes, my room is so clean. It has not been this clean in forever. Like, my room has not been this, like, not even that it's clean. Like, it was one of those, like, depression room type of cleans, and it didn't look as bad because I've been cleaning it over, like, some time. But it was well needed. So I'm really starting off 2022 the best way I can. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate you. It's very free. Very, very free. Like 0 cents, $0. Go ahead and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. See ya!